Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And this video is going to be short, okay? Yeah, I've been, trying to keep my videos under, a few minutes, but man, I've got a lot of information to share. But multiple 100 payments direct to you. And so I'll be back in just a second. Okay, now, are you in need of, or do you have a desire to earn extra income? And that's really what it's all about, okay? I'm introducing a program that could assist you in generating more money for yourself and your family. The program is the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, and I am the creator of the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, okay? So how would you like to receive multiple $100 payments paid direct to you? Now, the potential is real. When you look at this program, the potential is real, okay? And you could potentially earn $2,000 or more per month with this program. All right, you're able to choose now the payment processors that you want to use to receive your money. All right, what you do is you simply introduce other people to the Secret 3 Pages Blessing Program, and using the tools that we have for you. If you can copy and paste, you can do this business, okay? It is a $100 one time out of pocket. $100 one time out of pocket to start, with no admin fee or no monthly fees of any kind, okay? Now, this is a brand new program. It's simple. It's easy to share, and we're now getting the word out about this program. We're getting the word out now, okay? So in the description area of this video, there's going to be a website link. Be sure that you check it out, and also a couple of videos. Be sure to check them out. So those links are going to be in the description area of this video. And again, be sure to check them out if you are interested in receiving multiple $100 payments direct to you. All right. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm signing off. I told you it was going to be short. Okay, I told you it was going to be short. So be sure to grab the link to my website in the description area of the video. Check out the video links that I have added. Also, check everything out. Get started with us today. See the power of this amazing program. You be blessed. Bye-bye now.